everyone, it's Alexander Robinson. Welcome to the channel and welcome back to Universal Studios Hollywood. This is the second vlog I made since reviving this channel. If you didn't see my video of my tour through the Academy Museum, you should definitely check that out. But also, this is the first time I made a video at Universal Studios Hollywood in almost a full year. On my main channel, Alexander Robinson Movie and TV Reviews, I made a vlog at Universal Studios Hollywood, and that video has gotten a whopping 103 views. Yeah, but the Academy video that I made has gotten over 1,000 views, and that's in less than a month. So that's one of the reasons why I'm going to stick with this channel for theme park and vlog related stuff. Anyway, today's just going to be more of a quiet day here at Universal. I mean, it's not necessarily quiet crowd-wise, but what I mean is that it's not going to be an extravagant day. It's only 6:30 p.m. right now. The park closes at 10, and my main goal here is to pretty much check out the Dark Arts show at Hogwarts Castle, because it ends Sunday, August 13th. They previously had the Death Eaters roaming around Hogsmeade, but I missed those, so I better get my chance to catch the Dark Arts show before it goes away. And we might do a couple of other stuff here. Since I last made a video, Super Nintendo World has been opened. I'm not going to do a full extravagant video in this vlog because I want to save Super Nintendo World on its own for a different video. But we'll check that out and maybe do a couple of other rides. But for right now, it being 6:30, let's go explore the park. You got a few Fast and Furious cars here throughout the franchise, including this shiny gold Lamborghini from Fast X that Tyrese drives. And of course there's Dom's Charger right here. This was displayed all summer ever since Fast X came out, and I think it might be going soon because Horror Nights is around the corner. Speaking of Horror Nights, we got the facade here for Monstruos, the Monsters of Latin America. This is going to be an original maze right here that I'm really looking forward to because I like the IP stuff, but the original mazes are the ones that I'm always the most curious about, just to see how they bring them to life, mainly because they're original. I don't know what to expect from them. Over here used to be the site of Animal Actors and the special effects show, but it's now a construction site with walls and signs pointing to certain attractions, like the studio tours are going to be our priority right now. I'm just not quite used to a lack of buildings in this area. Passing through Springfield right here and the Simpsons ride, which is 15 years old this year. So happy 15th anniversary to the Simpsons ride. And here we go to the studio tour at a 40-minute wait.
Now, wave goodbye to everyone in line. Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you guys later. Universal City was founded by Carl Laemmle back in March 15th, 1915. And ever since then, we've been working tirelessly to create commercials, music videos, TV shows, and of course, movies. But right now, it looks like we're gonna be leaving the concrete jungle behind and heading into the actual jungle. And here to tell us more about what we're about to experience is director Peter Jackson. Take a look at the gyrosphere from Jurassic World. You might notice there's no glass on it. That's because glass is reflective and you would be able to see the crew working behind the scenes. Dinosaurs in the cages, and I was like, they look so sad. So I let them out, and then I couldn't get them back in.
Oh!
I think I'm gonna take a little nap here. Let me know if you hear some like grumbling or something bad happens. All right. Good night.
It's time to go swimming!
Uh-oh. See, that's when I can't take naps. Something bad always happens. I think here is a perfect place for me to take a nap. Yeah, alright. Nice and relaxing. Nothing bad's gonna happen. Uh-oh, that sounds like John Williams to me, and that's a shark fin. What? Is that Morbid Bates up there? Whoa, that's kind of crazy. So you guys, there's this really nasty rumor going around that Norman is a psycho, and you know, I think we should dispel it, because that's just really, really mean. So I'm gonna prove to you right now that he is not a psycho at all. Okay, never mind. They might be right about the psycho thing.
Hey, what's up, my dude?
I think it's time to visit the set of a legend in the making. We are so lucky to have the set of Jordan Peele's latest film, Nope, transported all the way here from the Santa Clarita Desert.
This is Jupiter's Planet, a nostalgic, small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Juke Park.
Yeah, that's gonna be a nope from me. I think we should get out before something bad happens to us. And I really do hope you had an amazing time and enjoyed the rest of your evening here at Universal Studios Hollywood, the entertainment capital of LA. And as we say in the movies, that's a wrap, and it's time to roll those credits.
So last time I showcased the tour on this channel, Jupiter's Claim had not yet opened. That was because this channel was pretty much inactive by that time. But also, because of the WGA and SAG after strikes, there was no filming going on. So while it was cool to see more of the backlot than you'd normally see because of filming, it is kind of sad that so many people are now out of a job in Hollywood. I made a whole video on my movie and TV review channel about why supporting the strikes is important and why the actors and writers deserve what they get. So hopefully they get a fair deal soon, but at the very least, it was good to see most of the backlot on the tour. But right now, it's about 7:40, I believe. 7:45, actually. So we're just gonna head straight into the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, because last I saw, Forbidden Journey was at a 30-minute wait, and I think I'm just gonna hang out there until the Dark Arts show starts. It's actually pretty chilly out here, considering that it's been hot and humid these past couple weeks in LA. It's rather relaxing, and fits into the theme of all the snowy rooftops in Hogsmeade. Of course, Ravenclaw is still trailing behind again. Come on, guys, y'all gotta do better.
Still can't believe it, and I talks as usual invisibility goes all three of us.
What's your suggestion, Ron? Keep it down, you two. This will work fine if you stop bickering.
Excuse me, we thought some of you might be looking for a way to escape Professor Bing's lecture. If you're not, you mention.
Not that the subject isn't fascinating. Personally, I'd recommend the Field of Battle's Hogwarts of History.
No one else has read that book, right?
For your information, it happens to be, by general consensus, the definitive volume on Hogwarts.
Also has to be dead boring.
As is Professor Bing's. Very boring.
No exception dead. He's a ghost. Come on, he's famous.
Yes. Resurgence Bricato.
What's just about to do that?
So as you get this gorgeous view of Burbank and the San Fernando Valley, let me briefly explain why I'm now on the Starway. There was a slight technical difficulty, and by slight technical difficulty, I meant that I couldn't get on Forbidden Journey because the ride itself was experiencing difficulties, so I walked out in the middle of one of the Dark Arts shows. So I stuck around, watched a full show, and now I'm headed down to the lower lot to try to do a couple more things because the park closes in less than an hour. But the Dark Arts show, I'll post that in full in the next couple days, so for those of you who've never seen it before, you can see it for yourself, because by the time this video goes up, tomorrow will be the last day you could see it if you're in Hollywood. But for now, let's just head down to the lower lot. So we're gonna spend about 10, 20, maybe 30 minutes inside Super Nintendo World just to show you guys around, because Bowser's Challenge actually closes an hour before the park does. So I'll be able to show you the inside of it at the very least, and then we'll end at Jurassic World. Because it's been a while since I've gone on this ride at night. It's rare to see the lower lot empty, especially as you get closer to Super Nintendo World. And there it is, Super Nintendo World in glorious nighttime. Alright, so I gotta kneel in order to get this shot, but I gotta put on my power-up band before heading inside. I am Team Luigi for life, one of my best characters in Super Smash Brothers. And yeah, Team Luigi, let's get inside. Alright, let's go, in the warp pipe. It's so surreal to enter through that into Peach's castle and then just head right into this. There's 8-Bit Mario from the NES days. This is a rare chance to be in a section of Super Nintendo World that is empty. This is so cool. Seriously, this is so cool that there's nobody up here. And look, I got this whole deck to myself in the snowy section. I love the Mario games, but you're gonna have to excuse me on how I don't know the actual name of this level. But, hold on. Well, the fun had to last somewhere, and these are unfortunately out of service, but whatever. Pikmin! So this room is located right next door to Peach's castle and near the giant piranha plant game that you play. And again, it's totally empty. Peaches, 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 peaches. A fake Nintendo plant with a real plant right here. So I'm gonna head out of here very soon because the lines for all the interactive games are a little too long, and I want to try to get on one more ride before I head out. But there's basically 4 interactive attractions that you could do with the power-up band. They're key challenges. One involves a Goomba, another involves a sleeping piranha plant, another involves a Koopa, and another involves matching several patterns like you do in Super Mario 3D World. I have done all those attractions on my own time except for the Goomba one. And the result of that is I have, if you can see it right here, there you go, 3 keys. That means I'm able to do the Bowser Jr. challenge, but right now it's sitting at a 45-minute wait time, and I'd rather try that some other time, not when I'm on a time crunch. So maybe in its own video, when I can get somebody to come with me to Super Nintendo World, I can showcase all the interactive stuff. But for now, let's leave this world with a dinosaur and go to another world with lots of them. That was corny, but whatever, let's go. Time to go through the exit warp pipe as we're treated to the ending credits to Super Mario World. And this sounds like I'm at a baseball game, No line, just the way I like it. Universal Studios Hollywood is closed by 1 minute. Even though some of the rides are still posting wait times. I am tempted to hop back onto Jurassic World right now, but I'm tired. Let's go home. It's always a fun day here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for sticking around for this newly renovated travel channel. There's a lot more videos to come in the future, even if they're not on a consistent schedule as with my movie and TV review channel. Keep your eyes out for more. Halloween Horror Nights is just around the corner, so there'll be videos for that. and November will be big. I'm not ready to quite say what's coming in November, but I am beyond excited. So thank you guys for tuning in. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Letterboxd, Threads. Go check out my movie review channel, Alexander Robinson Movie and TV Reviews, and my Shorts YouTube channel, Alexander Robinson Shorts. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button to get notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video, but until then, have a good night and take care of yourselves.